Welcome the president and owner of Patek Philippe, Mr. Thierry.
To be here, you also need to be creative. Always find the new idea, the new movement, the new style. We started in 1839, so you can imagine it wasn't easy all the time, but it was always a passion. We are very creative, we have about 15 to 20 new models every year. You can still be creative, you can still be innovative. It's always better to do alone or with a team, doesn't matter, but always follow your instinct. This is the most important. Enjoy the show, and now it's time to reveal the Cubitus family. Thank you very much.